with programmable ROM, or that we refer to as PROM, is that system builders, people who build computers, okay, they will install programs or data onto the same type of chip that I'm constantly referring to. A sample chip will then be tested before mass production is taking place. So we can remove this chip that is normally factory based, remove it, program it to our standards or to whatever the business wants. Specifically, if Korzinka or a specific organization wants to have specific information on their chips, the programmer will then create a chip for the specific institution and then test it before mass production takes place. So the same like ROM, once the information is written on the specific chip, it cannot be erased. Our next form of ROM is what we call as EEPROM. Okay, also programmable ROM, but in this instance, the programmable ROM can be erased. Okay, so we talk about erasable programmable ROM. This ROM is a bit more flexible and it's installed data that can be erased using a process of ultraviolet light. Is this easier? Not necessarily, because we still need to remove this chip off our motherboard. Just think about that process. You have to open the CPU, remove the chip from the motherboard, and then erase the information on the ROM in order to include new data programs that can be running on your computer or that should be installed. To do this, the chip, as I said, must be removed from our circuit board. So if you think about all the ROMs that's available up to now, I think you are formulating a process. What should a business or a company do from the beginning when it installs a new computer system? You need to have a clear vision of what you want. Lastly, okay, our last type of ROM is electronically erasable programmable ROM. Okay, it's a bit long, eh? But this is the most flexible type of ROM. In this instance, we can make use of electrical signals instead of ultraviolet rays by removing the chip. So in this case, we can change the information that's on the ROM, the data, the programs that we find on the ROM without removing the chip. Now that's the best kind of ROM, but also the most expensive type of ROM. So the electrical signals can be used to remove existing data on the ROM. The chip can remain in the circuit board while the contents are changed, and the chip is still used as read-only memory. Read-only memory. We can only access or read information from this chip that's on our motherboard. We can't write new information to it. ROM comes in different sizes, okay, or ROM chips comes in different sizes. The one I've showed you here, that's a much older model, okay, and this is a much recent chip that we find on our motherboard. So I just thought I'll just download a picture for you so that you can be aware of